If you have a cell with some data and you want to know how to take that data and have it split into multiple cells, this is the video for you. There are three ways that you can accomplish this. Up first, the equalswrite function. We are going to go to the cell next to our data and type out equalswrite with an open parentheses. The first thing you need to enter is the text, which just means that you can go ahead and click on the cell that you want to break up and then type a comma. The second bit of information needed is the numchars, and what this means is Excel wants you to enter a number, and that number is how many places from the right that Excel is going to keep. So if you put a 3, it will keep 3 places. If you put a 5, it will keep 5 places, and so on. Once that's entered, you just need to click enter, and you can see that you've successfully broken up your cell. I won't spend too long on the equalsLeft function because it's pretty much the same, but the only difference is that left keeps the digits from the left, not the right. Now these two functions are great, but they have one crucial flaw. When you use them on columns of data with inconsistent numbers of characters, they return the equivalent of hot garbage. Text to columns is Excel's answer to this problem. Highlight the column of cells that you want to break up. Click the Data tab, and then click on the Text to Columns button. From here, we want to make sure that delimited is selected, and then click Next. Next, you're going to see a list labeled as delimiters. What you select determines where Excel separates your data. So let's say that my list of data has commas in it. If I select comma, everywhere that Excel sees a comma in my data, it's going to separate the data at that point. You can do this for blank spaces, commas, or whatever you type here. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a like. If you're struggling in Excel on a certain topic and you want me to make a video about it, put it in the comments below. Thanks again.